In this video, I'm going to show you how to export account data in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money allows you to export both transaction history and balance data as CSV files, making it easy to analyze your finances outside the app. To export transactions for a specific account on desktop, go to the Accounts page and select the account you want. Click Edit in the top right, then choose Download Transactions. This will generate a CSV file with details like date, amount, merchant, category, and notes. If you want to export balance history, go to the same account and look for the balance section, or go to Settings, then Data. From there, select the account and download account balances to get a file with dated balance snapshots. You can also download data for all accounts by going to Settings, then Data, and choosing the full export option. Once downloaded, you can open the CSV file in a spreadsheet tool to filter and analyze your data. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.